what's up, you guys? Here's my nanny.
Hey guys, here with Skylar.
And we are cleaning my mouse cage, as you saw. We haven't cleaned it in like 2 weeks, so this is a new accessory in his little waiting cage, because he likes little accessories.
Hey Skylar, what is the protocol to cleaning a mouse cage? How often do we want to do this?
At least every Tuesday.
So once a week and or week and a half, I think is where we're at. Kind of a messy job, but somebody's got to do it.
Made a texture board last night with ivy and winter and summer, so just don't mind that. Don't mind our messy area. I'm gonna go get the mouse cleaning stuff. My hair's so curly. In the dog walking area / like, I don't know. But yeah. Ooh. Move to that chair like it was a piece of cake. Literally. Ba 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 ba, I like to party. La da da. Got nobody here on my own. Okay, come in, Beth.
Okay.
I wanna boop boop boop, but I'm broken hearted. La da da.
Let me assist you, ma'am.
Squealer. Skirt.
So, Mariah, what are we first going to do?
She gets me mixed up as well.
Oh,
Yeah, because my other friend Mariah always comes over here.
true.
Everyone's getting me mixed up, so
Plus I nanny several kids.
yes.
Okay, Skylar, what is our first step?
So first of all, we gotta take all of this stuff out so we can put the mouse in there. We need some books. So
Okay. I will let Skylar handle the mouse because he likes her better.
well, I gotta go get some books so we can put it on the top of the thing to keep the cat out. She thinks her name is Kitty Cat instead of Cora, because Cora is supposed to be her name, but she responds to Kitty Cat, so oh well. But I'm gonna go get some long books.
She also wants to take care of the mouse.
Okay, I got some, guys. Got books. But gotta get the mouse out of the cage. Oh, did you emerge from your little log hut that we got from Petco for you? Come on. It's kind of hard getting him out, but once you do get him out, it's easy. Oh my gosh! Why? Why must you do that? Come on. You gotta clean everything. It's cleaning day. Come on, bud. There we go. Once he gets on his wheel, it's super easy to get him out. So, pop him in there. Don't worry, he does have food in here. Put the books on top. Beth.
Okay.
And then we can just...
Good job, Skylar.
Oh no. Okay. Oh. Book fell in. A book fell in. But it's good. It didn't crush him.
Okay. Shoo! Stinky.
I'll start cleaning the wheel. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna move you over here with us, so you can like have a better vantage point.
So we want to take out anything that the mouse runs on, touches.
Of course, we're gonna be cleaning his little stump.
Oh.
This is actually like brand new. He loves it. Like he sleeps almost like all day with this.
Yeah.
My nanny's just taking out his tube. But my mom gets really annoying. Not annoying, annoyed. She's not annoying. She gets annoyed about the mouse because he pees on the wheel and then it gets all squeaky and it's super annoying at night. So that's why I'm trying to get it really good all up with soap. Sorry if this isn't interesting to you. If it's not interesting, just click to a different video. Because, yeah, we're not trying to make you watch this.
This is our weekly chores regardless.
So, I just said, hey, why don't we make a video of this? And Beth said, oh, okay.
Well, Skylar's a great mouse caretaker. So we just wanted to pass along our information and education we've learned on a mouse.
Yep. So, sorry if these things are in your way of sight. It's just we gotta wash things out after we get them all soapy. I need to video it when we put him back in and then he's running all around like, oh, is there any new stuff? Because he does that every single time. So cute. But then he usually just curls up into it. Oh, yeah, that's my sister. Again, if you didn't hear me, Skylar. I'm Skylar. Shoot. Not squeaky anymore. So now I'm going to be cleaning his little den. Hold on. I'm not even using this. I'm going to turn it off. I'm not using it. Don't want the water bill to be too high. Put a lot of soap. I'm just putting a lot of soap because mice can get very dirty. And I want all his stuff to be super clean.
Yep. Just like we wash our hands to stay healthy and get rid of germs.
And he needs his stuff clean to get rid of germs and stay healthy. Yeah, he's probably just playing in there and wandering around.
Okay, Skylar, how about I clean this and then that way you can get the bedding going while we finish cleaning these.
Okay.
Because the bedding is very important.
Yes. And don't get all Karens, if any Karens are watching this, please don't get mad and be like, oh, those wood chips are gonna hurt him if he sleeps. Actually, he sleeps in his den and we have super soft nesting bedding, so Karen's back off. But if your name is Karen and you're not a Karen, good job.
I have a friend named Karen.
Is she Karen?
She's really nice and cool.
You're so silly, Beth. Now, we got his little den.
Very good.
Put it on the paper towel.
Okay.
Now I'm going to, hold on, I need to dry off my hands and then take you guys. Or you can just watch her do it.
So we're going to basically work sufficiently here and clean the bottom. So then Skylar can be working on getting the bedding set up while I finish cleaning the other pieces.
And if you are Karen still watching this is the nesting bedding. Super soft. You can get it at Petco or PetSmart. I'm pretty sure it's PetSmart. But you can get it at PetSmart and the rodent section. It's made specifically for nesting because it's called nesting bedding. So, yeah.
Okay, Skylar, you want to dry this off and maybe take the video to the next station here. Maybe like that.
And I'm just going to be drying off the base of it. And by the way, I don't really like princesses and castles. I got this like a year ago when I did, so yeah. And it actually did have little points. Oh my gosh, Kat, you just knocked over a box. It wasn't the mouse box. It wasn't the mouse box.
I know, it scared me for a minute though.
It did me too. That was not the mouse box. It was my mom does cooking class at our school, FDK, and that's just her box she uses to carry stuff in, but it's empty. It's just a box right now. So, no need to worry about the mouse. It's fine. But one time, the cat actually did knock over the mouse cage, but the mouse is still alive, so... And if you want to get a mouse, just know don't get too attached to it because it dies within like 3 years.
The lifespan of a mouse
It's like
is
3 years.
Yeah.
So don't get too attached to your mouse.
Get attached enough to love him or her.
So much, you're gonna be too sad when it dies. So I'm probably just gonna get a gerbil when he dies. I'm not sure how old he is.
Well, think about it. Who, the mouse?
Yeah.
I think we got him.
We got him like 2 days before my birthday, so on like 14th of October. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and check on his side, buddy. He's doing fine.
Okay. I would say, yep, go ahead and get the bedding.
Yep.
And I'll wash up these.
Your bedding. Yes, it is the wood chip thing, so please don't get, again, Karen, don't be like, oh, it's gonna hurt him. But we have nesting bedding, so it's fine.
Animals have been living outside since the
Very beginning.
right. It's kind of their natural habitat.
So, yeah, they're used to way harder things than this.
Yeah.
And this stuff just doesn't stink. It's just the pee on the wheel and the pee on everything else that stinks, by the way. So, this stuff doesn't stink. If you want to get a rodent, I would recommend getting this. So, at PetSmart, because that's where they have it. So, yeah. I just kind of have to do that to open the clip. So. Now we got the bedding in! Yay!
Okay, almost done.
Yeah. Sorry this is taking so long.
But this is what it takes to keep animals healthy.
And clean. So, yeah.
Okay.
This is a little food bowl. When I see it empty, I do refill it, so don't just be like, that's so small. It's gonna be gone within like 5 days. I know. And that's why I refill it.
Okay, are we ready to put this back on?
Hold on. I need his little water tube. But you can put it back on while I'm cleaning the water tube. I would be surprised if I had my mouse for 4 years. I'd be very surprised.
You take pretty good care of him.
And he's still super active. And I don't think he's quite 2 years old yet, so.
No, I think he's probably
He's actually gotten,
like 8 months. Then?
Beth, can you,
Oh,
it has low battery, 20% on it. So my hands are all soapy, so I couldn't do it. And I'm cleaning it very thoroughly, so please, no hate. Get that warm. Oh, we're not that warm, not that warm. Okay, okay, that's good. Okay. I'm cleaning this very, very, very thoroughly. And I do give him fridge water, so it's extra clean. And I will be showing me giving fresh food to my cat and water. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
okay.
And Summer, if you're watching this, well, she watches all my videos, I'm pretty sure, so I'm pretty sure she's watching this. She's never seen me clean the mouse cage, even though she's over here kind of a lot.
Oh, I think I know Summer.
Yeah. She knows us. Because obviously you're here like almost every day except for on Sundays and Saturdays.
You guys have a really good crew.
Yes, yes we do. And thank you. Because that would be rude if I didn't say thank you.
Yeah. Well, thank you for letting me hang out with you guys. This isn't the easiest, but
Ivy just adores you.
oh, I love her too.
Yeah. And Winter, she doesn't hate you, but she doesn't absolutely love you like Ivy does. She likes you.
Well, nobody should hate anybody. If anything, maybe just not their cup of tea.
She gets a little bit annoying, just sometimes.
Well, I hope she's not watching it. Oh, me. Yeah. Okay. So,
Into my hands off. And I was cleaning the little lid. So, lid.
oh, I get
Lid.
good one.
Oh.
Good one, Skylar.
Nice job for understanding, Beth.
I was
Because
busy doing this. I couldn't catch the joke. That's good though. Okay, I think that my job is complete. Mariah,
you keep on getting me mixed up.
sorry.
Everyone does. All my friends are over all the time. And she babysits a lot of other kids. Not really babysits, more like nannies, so. Boop. Sure. Please no hate on this video. I will try to make it to where you guys can comment if you want. I'm just reaching over to grab the paper towels to extra dry the wheel and the little stump. Put the thing back on.
Got it.
Just extra drying the stump. There we go. Now we add the stump in, and the nesting bedding we add at the very end. Well, and the food, of course. Now we gotta dry off the wheel.
Okay, what I like to do in this sink that we've cleaned the cage debris
Clean the sink.
is clean the sink with bleach. You'll want a supervisor for that because it's a really harsh chemical, but it will also kill any of the germies from the the mouse.
You almost called him a hamster. And I know he is a him because he has a ball sack. So.
Okay.
Whatever. His name is Valiente.
Ooh.
Ivy, winter, and summer. You guys know that if you're watching this. So. Afro, Afro circus. Hold on, I'm just honestly right now. Yeah, that bar's good. Hold on. Yeah, this is hard to put the wheel in.
Skylar always does a good job. Nice.
Now I just gotta. You can hear him trying to make a nest. But let me get the nesting bedding and his food and his pellets. That helps his digestion. So again, PetSmart. Everything we get is at PetSmart. So yeah.
PetSmart, feel free to pay us for promoting your store.
If you somehow get to watching this. So, if you can even figure out how to. I don't know. I'm putting his nesting bedding in right now, a little bit by a little bit, so we don't put too much. That should be good, because I want this to last a long time. So he only needs a little bit, and there's a lot of it. So now he's tiny little cup. We do have a scooper for him. Okay. Now I give him half of a pellet. Let me find an already one that's in half that I gave him last time.
Oh, what's this?
Huh?
What's that, Skylar?
This helps his digestion.
Oh. Okay. So it's like a little extra treat, but it is like a
tastes good to
vitamin.
them. It actually tastes good to them.
Cool.
Just in case you were wondering. Just a little bit of the food fell, but it's fine. We're putting his food right next to his cave.
Looks good.
Usually he gets a new decor, but he already has a nice decor, so yeah. And I will be filming his little thing that he does. So, we just gotta get him out. Hi, buddy. Come on. Come on, bud. Okay. Yeah, so he like checks out the whole cage. So, yeah, bye. Sorry if this video was really long. It was like 24 minutes long. Sorry, guys.